I don't know why it has stopped really. We gather what's down. And I want to put some more here. So this is the coating. Where the bread will not stick on it, we reuse it. Let's go again. Our bread. I will cut a piece to make the sweet one. We'll have another video with this. This, how much it is it? It's 1 kilo. All right. So the rest of the bread is, I'm gonna wait. It is 3.3 kilos. Actually, for me it will be a bit salty because I thought we would reach the 6 kilos. We never reached it, and we've put 40 grams of salt. So it is taverna salty, as I say, you know, with a bit of insecurity. You put some more salt and everything is more tasty. But I don't want it that much. It's too much. It's okay. This is the bread. I like to do this thing because it makes these nice things on the bread. Of course, we will cross it. It helps it to rise. Yeah, so under we have this because I always push it. I do this slowly with the hands when I turn it, because I want some tension on the surface. And this is the end. Take this and we go here, and want to make it a bit roundy, and we'll see the cross. I go really deep with the cross. Maybe I will put in a video how it is before baking it. Maybe not. Actually, I'm running out of memory on the phone. God, this thing with the memory. Really, really low. It's almost 2 fingers, eh? I'm not so much in religion, I can say. I like a docking statement, my God is the best till I find a new one, but I love tradition. And this is what we have here, and I like it. It will open by itself. We cross it in 3 times. And thanks everybody. This is it. Whoa! That was a problem. It might stick here.